Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to carry out thermal simulations of this circular fan tube 3D model. And what is the purpose of doing these simulations? We will examine how much heat transfer rate increases by adding these fans to these circular tubes. So first of all, we will carry out simple thermal simulations on this simple tube. Then after that we will add fins to this tube. Then again we will carry out simulations for heat transfer analysis. Then we will have a comparison and will examine how much heat transfer rate has been increased due to adding these fins. Okay, if you want to download this 3D model, I will give the 3D link in my video descriptions. So start our simulations now. As I already told you that first of all we will carry simulation on only these tubes. So suppress these fins. Now go to simulations and load new simulation study, and from the study type select thermal. So we have entered in simulation mode. Now assign material, that is aluminum. Downloads, assign temperature to inner surface of the tube. Change units of temperature to centigrade. And inner temperature is 180 degrees centigrade. On outer surface, we will add a convection boundary condition. Again, from thermal loads, select convection type, select this exposed surface, convection coefficient is 25. Room temperature is about 298 Kelvin. So we have completed our boundaries to run our study. Wait until complete. Please subscribe Kandingal if you are new. And also please give your comments so that we can improve our simulation services. So our simulation study has been completed. Now we will check how much heat transfer loss from this tube. On results, right click on results and list heat power. Select this outer surface and update. So total heat loss from this simple tube is about 36.5 watt. So this is the heat transfer or heat loss without any fins or no fin conditions. Please note this value. Now our next step is to carry out simulations with adding fins. So from fin tube model, again unsuppress the fin feature and also pattern of fin. Again from simulation bar, go to new study and give it a specific name. Let's assign material, that is aluminum alloy, 1060 aluminum alloy. And from thermal loads, assign temperature to inner surface of tube, change units to centigrade, and temperature value was 180 80 degree centigrade. Now we will assign convection boundary conditions. Go to thermal loads, right click and select convection. Select all exposed faces. After that, press Ctrl and unselect, click on the inner surface. So we have unselect inner face of tube and convection coefficient is 25 watt per meter Kelvin. And our room temperature is 298. Applied thermal loads or thermal conditions to our study. Now we will run our simulations. Again, I request to subscribe my channel Cardingle, and if you are new, give your comments, and your feedback is always valuable for me. So our simulation has been completed. You can see how temperature is going to vary. So after our main purpose is to examine the heat loss with these fins. Again, go to results and list heat power. From here, you can select. Sorry, these edge is selected. So press Ctrl and select all these. All outer faces should be selected. Your comments are always valuable for me. So I will be really thankful if you give me comments so that I can improve SOLIDWORKS tutorials, videos for you. Select all these. I think we have selected all one. Update. So you can check total heat power output is 205.7 watt. Do you remember how much it was in no fan case? It was about 36.5 watt. So our heat transfer rate has been increased from 36 watt to 205 watt by adding these fins. So I recommend to just change the diameter of these fins and run simulation again and give your answers in comments what happened. So in this way we have completed our study. Please subscribe Cardingle and keep on watching for more tutorials. Thank you.